welcome back to all new Weird But True episode. I loved your guys' support of the last video, the people who came in and supported it. So, yes, we are going to start Weird But True up as a series. And today, it's just funny. It's so freaking funny. This is messed up too, but you'll see what I mean. So without further ado, I'll show you this. Mortified mom finds Frozen Elsa doll making X-rated noises. Okay. Hey everybody. Let's get the camera in. Alright, here we go, guys. Yeah, it's kind of stupid that I have to use this light. Okay, so here we go. A mom shared a clip of an odd noise coming from her daughter's Elsa Frozen doll on TikTok and had a horrified viewers saying she could throw it out immediately. We'll see it. Hopefully YouTube doesn't ban this. Oh yeah, it's so messed. Alright, that's just messed up. That's on repeat. Sorry guys. Hopefully that doesn't repeat again. A mom who heard a disturbing noise coming from her twin daughter's toy room got the shock of her life when she went down to investigate. The woman discovered it was Frozen kid's toy. Okay, this is messed up. It's about the freaking phone's malfunctioning. Sorry. Toy that belonged to her little girl's area in Ava, but the noise that was coming out of her mouth was far more from appropriate for children. She immediately filmed the doll's inappropriate sounds and shared her reaction to TikTok under a username Raising Twins to show her followers that what happens when the power begins to run out. The amused mom wrote, "Imagine my confusion when I heard the sound coming from the toy room. Elsa needs to calm down." Oh, here's the video. Okay, I don't know why that's on there. Okay, guys, I gotta get that off. That's annoying.
The impact of the pandemic on the travel industry globally, first of all, has been catastrophic. We have been unable to trade.
Sorry guys. This freaking thing keeps acting up. Okay, here we go. The toy, which usually speaks and moves, appeared to be running out of batteries, which function. It was also heard repeating the words, "I really need," as her eyes opened and closed quickly. Okay, this is so weird. "Batteries are going flat or house haunted," she wrote alongside the hilarious clip. Okay. Since being posted, the clip has been viewed more than 20,000 times, racked up over 2,400 comments from amused followers. One said, "Oh my FG, ha ha ha, let it go, Elsa, let it go," referencing the famous song from Frozen. Another said, "Legit, just throw those toys out," while a third added, "That was so wrong." Okay. Elsa using her ice powers for personal gain. Someone else added, "What is happening to you where you..." Okay, there's an ad. This isn't the only time for a Frozen product has been called out for being accidentally X-rated, as a mom was horrified when she discovered sex positions printed on the back of a Frozen notebook she bought from Kmart. Anyone who got the Elsa Frozen 2 secret diary, just be careful. Honestly, I can't believe it, she captioned her post. Just be aware, we got this for our daughter's birthday, and this is on it, she said in a video. A spokesperson for Kmart told 7news.com.au they are mortified by the error and are investigating the So yeah, guys, you can't make this up. So yeah, guys, you can't make this shit up. Sorry, I was crying. I was laughing because, like, it was funny, and I'm sorry for the interruptions during the recording. It just kind of screwed up then. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was pretty funny. And I've had toys do stuff like that. I've seen some creepy stuff on toys. Them making really creepy noises. When I was a kid, when the batteries went out. So, yeah, toys can do weird things like that. And it's just crazy. Like, literally crazy when that happens. And, yeah, funny too. It can be funny too, like that. It's so weird to even see this stuff on toys. Yeah, so, yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, and, let's go for 50 likes. If we can do that, I'll bring some more content, and, of this, if you guys enjoy it. So, help get more subscribers to this channel. I need your help to grow this channel and make it strong so I can provide better content for you guys. So please subscribe while you're at it, and hit that bell beside the subscribe button. Click all and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And that is because you'll be notified every time. You'll be up to date on every single one of my videos when a new one is loaded. So stay tuned for new episodes of Weird But True, and I am planning on doing some turtle videos soon, so those of you who are my turtle fans that go back to the OG part of the channel will actually get to see turtles again. Yes, I have all my turtles in my room. Let's show you guys one of the babies. I'll show you guys Shiloh. You guys remember him. I'll put him in this video. So yeah, guys, here he is. Say hi, Shiloh. Figured I'd drop the video off right here. He's doing good. Aww. But, I have another turtle, 3-toed box turtle. A new one after Knox died. And I want to show him to you guys. So, I'll be doing that soon, too. I've had him for a few months, but I haven't gotten around to making a video, guys. So stay tuned for his video, his introduction. Hopefully, he'll be uploading soon. So yeah, I'll grow this channel to 200 subscribers strong. So help me out, guys. So that's it for now. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you out there, weird lovers. Also, this is Brad McDonald signing out.